Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the SurFlex online screen recorder, which is a free screen recorder from a company called Nabla Mind. So I'm on the SurFlex website. You'll find the link in the description section. Now, before I show you how to use it, let me cover a few points. First of all, there is no registration or sign-in required. There is no watermark or time limit for the recording. The recording is saved as a WEBM video file in HD 720p resolution and is compatible with Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Microsoft Edge. Now, of course, these may change in the future, so don't hold me to it. So let's go back to the SurFlex website. First of all, there are two tabs here. We are in the screen recording tab, and I'll get to these options in a moment. Let me go to the Record Webcam tab. And here you can record just the webcam and your microphone, but the concept is the same as recording your screen. So let me go back to the Record Screen tab. Here, as you can see, there are several options. You can record your screen. You can record your screen and the webcam by checking this box. You can record your microphone. You can record system sounds if you want to. I'm using Firefox as my browser. So you can see there's a message here that says that this feature is not supported by Firefox and it's only available in Google Chrome. I'm just going to go with the screen and microphone. And once you're ready to record, you just click the Start Recording button. You will see this dialog box asking you to allow permission to access your microphone. Now, if you have multiple microphones, you can click this drop-down arrow and then choose the appropriate microphone. I'll leave it to the default Yeti microphone and then click Allow. Then you'll see this dialog box asking you to allow permission to access your screen. You can then use this drop-down arrow and it'll show you all of the open windows and apps. I'm going to choose Entire Screen and then finally click Allow. It will then start recording and show you the time here. And you will also see this control bar at the top. You can just move it like so. And if you want to hide it, you can just click this minimize indicator and it'll be hidden. Let me go to this other tab that I've got open, which is again the SurFlex website. And I'm just going to scroll down for the sake of this recording test. And they actually also have a downloadable version of the app, which is for Windows and Mac. And so that is something that I will be talking about later on. But now let me just go back to the earlier tab. And in here, I'm just going to click on the Stop Recording button. And as you can see, here is a recorded video. You can hover your mouse over it and preview the recording if you want to. You will also see this download button, which you can click to download the video file, and it'll be downloaded to your browser. Here is the downloaded file. Like I said, I'm using Firefox, and then I can click here to take me directly to the folder where it downloaded the video screen recording file. Let me go back to the SurFlex website. And if you want to start a new recording, you can click this link that says New Recording, and it'll bring you back to the original settings. By the way, I recorded this whole video using this free online SurFlex screen recording app. And like I said earlier, they do have a more advanced downloadable desktop app for Windows and Mac. I created a separate video to show you the advanced features and how to use the desktop version, so feel free to check it out. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.